LCID stock, Lucid Group Inc., is in a strong bearish trend. It is around its 52-week lows, and we can also see that it is oversold on the RSI and also the 14-period slow stochastic oscillator. So the stock is totally oversold as of Monday, the 19th of December 2022. The company indicated that it has completed at the money equity offering of more than 56.2 million common shares for gross proceeds of around $600 million. The company expects to raise a total of $1.52 billion of capital, which also includes another $15 million, which is anticipated through the private placement of 85.7 million shares to an affiliate of the public investment fund IR Third Investment, pending settlement in December of this year 2022. The company said it plans to use the proceeds for general corporate purposes, which may include capital expenditures and working capital. So yes, that's what we are seeing here. And let's see, momentum is also strongly bearish. The 14-period stochastic oscillator, this is it, that's it. This one is below 20, the level which many analysts called over. So this means investors have been actively selling LCID shares and driving the price lower. The volume for the last trading session, that is the session of the 20th of December 2022, was heavier than usual, trading 42.052 million shares versus an average of 24 million shares, 24.243 million shares per day during the last 12 months. The unbalanced volume indicator is bearish. The slope of the indicator is negative and suggests that there is a lack of buying interest. So we can also see something there. Volume has this volume was above average. Okay, let's see what okay, you can see that it's not, this is not this is not the highest it has actually seen, but it's bearish, and also there's high volume there. That's an indication that maybe it may have reached the bottom. It doesn't mean that that is absolutely the case. So but we have been able to determine that the probability of it remaining at this sort of level overcome the next 20 trading sessions is not very high. The likelihood that it's going to remain at this 52-week lows, it's not very high. So that probability is around 6%, 6.06%. Over the next 10 trading sessions, it's, you know, it may still remain there. The probability of it remaining there also not very high, around 27.43%. But what it's indicating that maybe it may continue to move sideways before it probably spikes. So let's get the upper projection from let's see, we can actually compute, we can do a computation of that before we validate it on TradingView. We take $8.77 and subtract it from the current price right now. $8.77, 8.77 minus 7.32, we have a difference of 1.45. Multiply that by 2.618, we have 3.79. we add that to the current price of 7.32, we have 11.1161. Let's look at TradingView and see whether we have any sort of thing like that. We have $617 upper projection, that's the highest there. We have 14.73. there's also 13.94. there is 13.33. there is 12.85. this is the closest so far. 12.36. 11.81. this is the closest. So 11.81. we have 11.11. so yes, it's, that computation was not out of place. So upper projections from TradingView, we have just manually computed a modest computation of 11.11. So in the midst of all of that, around it we also have 8.4, 8.52, 10.91. this is also quite close to the one we computed, 10.91, 11.87. so this computation is between 10.90 and 11.81, and all the way up to $17.05. so the stock has been retracing down over 80% in this year 2022. so it's natural to expect a rebound. That's why the probability is also indicating that it's not going to continue to remain there. But yet, we come the next 50 trading sessions, it could also even be lower than this. But that's just statistics. It doesn't mean that all of that will pan out. But statistically, just because it's just trading at a discount to all of its moving averages, especially the 10 all the way up to the 20 and indeed higher, statistically it means that there is a likelihood of rebound. Statistically it means that it doesn't mean that it means that it may not continue to remain there, that it's just an indication that maybe a rebound is probably on the cards. So upper projections once again all the way up to $17.17, but indeed there are downward projections. We can actually plot. Let's see, is there any downward projection here? There isn't any downward projection here on trading view on daily chart. So but we can actually see what on the 1 minute live charts we might have downward projections there. Yeah, there are indeed downward projections. 7.19, 7.22, just around where it is right now. 7.19 is the lowest. So this is obviously a live chart. So it's going to indicate prices are very much close to where it is. So let's see whether we can even project further down. There isn't much down there, but we can always pick it up from where we actually picked up our projection for our manual computation. Let's pick it there and we might be able to get some downward projections. Let's try again. Okay, we have 6.66, 6.33, 5.44. There's no guarantee that those will happen. Okay, so see what you make of LCID stock, and thank you very much for watching this video.